On today's What Is It, we've got the Texas Speed and Performance stainless steel long tube headers. What it is a badass set of long tube headers from Texas Speed. Diving in, TSP offers a wide range of model support for their long tube headers ranging through classic and late model GM. If you are looking for a killer set of headers, these are for you. Off the bat, these headers are constructed from 304 stainless steel and feature mandrel bent design with TIG welding throughout. Looking further into the features, these are some of our favorite to note. The ability to spec with or without high flow cats, excellent drop-in fitment with zero modifications or finessing, the highest level of engineering to ensure peak horsepower and torque gains throughout, and long-term durability supported by the 304 stainless steel material and back purge TIG welding. If you are interested in learning more about the Texas Speed and Performance stainless steel long tube headers or would like to get your vehicle set up, contact us at APA Custom Shop and we will get you dialed in.